Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest economic calendar on Insta TV. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the following macroeconomic events. On Tuesday, Germany will publish December reports on industrial production and trade balance. Experts suppose that in December, Germany's industrial production climbed by 0.5% on a monthly basis. In November, the indicator shrank by 0.3% compared to the previous month. The decline was unexpected as economies had forecast a 0.5% rise. October data on industrial production was upwardly revised to 0.5% growth compared to the previous month. Initially, it had been reported that the indicator added only 0.2%. Besides, economists anticipate that the German trade surplus expanded to 20.2 billion euros in December. In November, the trade surplus data turned out to be below the forecasts due to a decrease in exports. Trade surplus narrowed to 19.7 billion euros from 20.6 billion euros in October. Compared to October, exports reduced by 0.4% and imports rose by 1.6%, pointing to stable domestic demand. Nevertheless, both indicators showed that the largest economy in Europe has difficulties recovering after a dire performance in the third quarter. Besides, the following macroeconomic data will be released early next week. On Monday, China will unveil trade balance data and Japan will report on total current account balance. Besides, Canada will publish building permits data. On Tuesday, business confidence data is due for release in Australia and trade balance figures will be out in the UK. On Wednesday, the UK will disclose industrial production data and the US Department of Energy will report on crude oil inventories. And this concludes the calendar of the latest economic events prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.